Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, in this short video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your OnePlus 8 or your OnePlus 8T. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point. Our first step will be to power off our device. So by clicking the volume up and the power button, that'll open up this menu and we click power off. Now with our device powered off, you want to click the volume down and the power button both at the same time until we reach the Android recovery screen. Here we are. Now set that to your desired language. For me it's going to be English, and then you want to click Format Data and click the power button to select it. And then it's going to ask you to enter a verification code. Go ahead and enter that, click Format, and you are all set. Once this process is complete, your phone will be fully wiped.